Hello, I'm Cole, the Summer Camp Principal at CIS. This summer, our kindergarten and elementary summer camp will be led by a team of caring and passionate teachers. Now, let's meet our homeroom teachers and subject teacher. You ready?
Hi, I'm Bernice. I'll be the kindergarten homeroom teacher. Get ready for games, stories, and lots of smiles.
Hi, I'm Igor. I'll be the kindergarten homeroom teacher. Get ready for games, stories, and lots of smiles.
Hi everyone, my name is Adam and I am going to be your lower elementary homeroom teacher. Let's learn, have fun, and explore this summer.
Hi, I'm Monica. I will be teach STEAM. Let's build experiment and create together.
大家好，我是中文老师 Olivia， 让我们一起来探索中国文化吧。
Hi, I'm Kira. I'll be teaching art. Get ready to design, imagine, and create.
Hi, I'm Mr. Sid. I'll be teaching PE. Get ready to move, play, and stay active.
Hi, I'm Bill. I'll be teaching swimming. Get ready to splash, move, and have fun in the water.
See you at CIS Summer Camp.